Welcome everybody to In the Kitchen with Chef Lemaire. Very excited for a new recipe, a new episode. So as you guys can see, we have some beautiful Brussels sprouts. We have a nice bacon slab, some red onions, some lemon, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and unsalted butter. So what we're about to do here is we're gonna make some salted Brussels sprouts with onions and bacon. So first thing first we're gonna do is we have these Brussels sprouts. We're gonna blanch them real quick in some boiling salted water. And while they are boiling, we'll be chopping up our onions and our bacon that we'll be sauteing to add the Brussels sprouts at the end to finish off. So stay put. We'll see you guys in a few. Alright, now that our Brussels sprouts are cooked, we had blanched them and we had shocked them in some cold iced water. So that means that we took them off the boiling water, we strained them, and we dumped them in a bath that was with ice water, so that way it stops cooking and it can stay this bright green that you guys see. So now what we're gonna do is we have our saute pan that's getting warm. So we're about to take these pieces of bacon and red onions. We're about to saute them. We want to pretty much caramelize them. Then we add the Brussels sprouts at the end to get the final product that we're looking for. Now that we have the saute pan, it's pretty much hot, and we're adding our chunks of bacon. So now, what's the purpose of doing this? We're gonna render this. It's pretty not much that much bacon. It's pretty much more meat, but still have some fat content in it, and it's smoked, so it has that smokiness in it. And we're gonna add the onions, the Brussels sprout to it. So want to saute that a little bit, so you want to get the brown part out of it. Now we're adding our red onions. Now that the bacon and the onions are pretty much where you would want, we're gonna add the Brussels sprouts. And mind you, Brussels sprouts are already blanched and they already cooked. So now you just bringing out the extra flavors out of them. So you want to add a little bit of salt and pepper, not too much because the smoked meat already has some salt in it. And we're adding the unsalted butter. And finish it off with some lemon juice. So you want to go about this for another 2 or 3 minutes until your Brussels sprouts are hot again, your butter's well melted, and all the flavors are well incorporated.